ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages, please make your way to your seats and focus your attention to the center of the ring. At this time, we'll have a little blast from the past. Cars from yesteryear, one at a time, slightly modified to improve itself. If you'll listen closely, hear a little rumble. That's from the one and the only White Lightning.
He's showing out.
I didn't know he had that much gas. And now, next on the list, the Big Red Machine. Oh! And now, it doesn't know if it's a truck, it doesn't know if it's a car. But when you have an engine like that, it doesn't matter what you are. Whoa!
Whoa!
Whoa! Yeah! How about a round of applause, folks? You don't see that every day. Not your daily driver. And now, the loudest, the most powerful. We call it the Screaming Demon, the fastest dragster on 4 tires. Most of the time it stays on 2. Ramblin' Red.
So I'm gonna get a medic.
No. And now, last but not least, the one you've all been waiting for. He's an oldie but a goodie. Baby Blue, he's my favorite. And now how about you? Man, look at him go. That concludes our show for this evening, the Hot Rod Roundup. We thank you all for coming. Be sure to pick up your trash. See you right here again next year. Brand new cars and personnel. Thank you, folks. Have a safe drive home.